So guys, we get home. It's 7 o'clock. Let me put RT for you. And the scumbags put the alarm on. So today is August 22nd. And the scumbags put the alarm on. The alarm off. Set the alarm. So now we have to listen to the alarm sirens, because the scumbag that finds where I am through my microchip, which is a scumbag magnet, does this to me. Okay, look. So I don't enjoy my cigarette. So this is RT, August the 22nd, 2019. I just lit my smoke. That's so I don't enjoy it. So I'm gonna shut it off and wait for the alarm to go off, then smoke it. Because believe it or not, this does work. It kills your pleasure sensors when you want to have a coffee and a smoke, or you know, whatever. So as you can see, it is somebody set the alarm. I'm gonna stop it. So it is today. Why isn't it clearing? It's still not clearing for some reason. Is it on Zoom? No, it ain't. So let's see the time. I want it to clear. It ain't clearing, guys. Why? I don't know. There we go. It is 22:59 GMT, which is 7 p.m. Alright, August the 22nd. I'm going to upload this video right now.